Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I haven't done a beauty related video for such a long time. मतलब खुद के ऊपर मेरे को मेकअप किए बहुत टाइम हो गया इस चैनल में. So I thought of trying some very viral TikTok beauty hacks. So super interesting. इतना मज़ा आता है ना वो TikTok hacks देखने में. Thought why not, let's try some of them out. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Anmol. Subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more notifications. Do tell me what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. And yeah, without wasting your time, let's get on into the video. Okay, so this first one looked a lot interesting and आप मेरे eyebrows से सकते हैं it's very thick. So I don't know how this is gonna work और मेरे सारे बाल ऊपर खड़े होने वाले कि नहीं, मुझे कोई आइडिया ही नहीं है. पर मेरे पास यहाँ पे साबुन है मेरे साथ. I am using this Fiyama diesel साबुन and I'm gonna use a mist instead of water because it's fine. You can use anything. You can even use a gulab gel, you know. So I'm just going to wet this a little bit and then I'm going to grab my spoolie, do this. You see this? थोड़ा सा residue आ रहा है उसका. It's lathering up really well. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is filled. So this is what you're going to do. I'm just going to now take this side and I'm just going to push this upward. You guys see that? It is working, guys. OMG, just look at my eyebrows. I'm just going to push everything upwards. Oh, I mean, क्या बोलूँ? I'm just going to push this upwards and they say you have to fill the rest of the part with your pencil, but I don't have anywhere to fill because मेरी threaded eyebrows है तो मुझे कोई fill करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the other side of this and I'm just going to shape this from the top. Do you guys see the difference? OMG, this really works. As you guys can see, this is what laminated eyebrows looks like and I think this looks pretty good. Okay guys, so my eyebrows are staying in place and I'm gonna see after some time if they are staying in place. So yeah, I'm gonna give this hack a 8 out of 10. Okay guys, so for the next hack, I have already applied concealer and now I'm gonna take my eyeshadow palette. In this hack, the YouTuber used all the metallic shades and I have a lot of shades. I'm not sure which to use, so first I'm gonna start with this shade, maybe on the inner lid part, and then I'm gonna build it up. I'm going to apply a little bit of, yeah, I'm going to then apply this pink and then this dark one. So I'm gonna use these three colors to mix and match. And she used वो वाला ब्रश होता है ना जो सब फेंक देते हैं आई शेडो पैलेट्स में जो आता है वो वाला. I'm going to use that. I have this brush. Now I'm going to grab this color. I'm going to take this color as much as I can. Again, I'm going to load it and I'm just going to First I'm going to make sure that there are no creases, so I'm just going to tap my concealer. I'm going to draw one more line. Yeah, I'm going to take till there, and now I'm going to grab this other palette and I'm going to take this pink shade and now I'm going to load this. I have taken that shade, then pink, and now I'm going to take this dark shade. I'm going to grab it. Yeah, I've taken this dark shade and now I'm just going to this is done. Now what I have to do is I have to take a clean stippling brush, a brush like this, and then I had to mix these colors. I had to mix these colors. This is how it looks. I mean, this has given me a good rainbow effect. Can you see that? I mean, it is blended so beautifully right here, these two shades and these two shades. Hey guys, so my eye look is done and I gotta say, this looks pretty good. I didn't expect this eyeshadow to turn out so good and I'm super impressed with this look, and yeah, I'm gonna give this hack a 6 out of 10. नेक्स्ट हैक I'm gonna look like a buffoon, I'm telling you. मुझे मतलब वो इस ब्लश टेक्निक में, so first I need to apply blush. So I'm gonna use in this method cream. You have to apply a cream blush. Don't have a cream blush, so I'm gonna use a lipstick, and I have this red lipstick that I'm gonna use as my blush, and I'm gonna apply it to the high points of my face. I have already done my skincare and applied primer and all. I had to apply on my nose and I had to apply here. I had to blend this now also. I'm going to take this brush to blend it. This. I mean, this is not taking very lot of time to blend, but yeah, this is kind of doing the job. Now what I had to do is I have to apply concealer and contour also. I have no comments. इसमें बहुत फनी लगी, मुझे खुद को देख के हंसी आई। यार मैं ऐसे बाहर जाऊँ तो कैसी लगूंगी, तो प्यारी लगूंगी ना। I'm gonna apply concealer to the high points of my face wherever I apply concealer usually. That's sparky. Now I have to apply contour. I'm going to use this Faces lipstick, which is brown one, as my contour. I'm just going to apply it right here. Apply it here. Can you just take a moment to appreciate whatever is going on in my face? I'm just going to, my concealer. It's going to blend my concealer in really well. Oh my god. Let me blend my contour also. I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend my contour. I'm not going to blend it like पूरा I mean बहुत अच्छे से blend नहीं करूँगी मैं, क्योंकि फिर फाउंडेशन का फिर कोई यूज़ नहीं होगा. Just going to blend it थोड़ा. Just going to push my contour upwards towards my blush. This is a look, guys. This one right here. Just going to, इस मेथड का सबसे बड़ा डिसएडवांटेज ये है कि अगर आप ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स मैट प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर रहे हो ना, तो फिर वो बहुत जल्दी सूख जाते हैं. दे ड्राई वेरी फास्ट. तो अगर इफ़ आई हैव यूज्ड ऑल क्रीमी प्रोडक्ट्स. दिस लिपस्टिक इज़ अ क्रीमी वन. इट्स नॉट फुली मैट. I have used the contour creamy lipstick. I have used for contour, and I have used a liquid highlighter, so it doesn't dry very fast. तो फिर you should keep these things in mind before you do this technique. वरना अगर आपने यूज़ किया ना ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट जो बहुत जल्दी सूखता हो, you will spend your whole day blending. I'm just for my jawline जो मेरे पास है नहीं, सिर्फ डबल चिन है, बट जूटी जॉ लाइन के लिए वी कैन मेक अ फेक जॉ लाइन टू गाइस. I'm gonna apply. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं जला दिया यहाँ पे किसी ने मेरा. Okay, so I'm gonna apply and I'm gonna do my foundation later, and I'm gonna rate this after applying my foundation. Okay guys, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Dream Satin. This one would work because this has a satin kind of finish. So I'm gonna take this much, बस इतना सा लूँगी मैं, and I'm gonna use my flat foundation brush, which I also use for my concealer, to spread my foundation. I'm just going to spread my foundation on my neck also. Now what I'm going to do is, ले लो guys screenshot ले लो, आप लोग ऐसा मीम भी यूज़ कर सकते हो इस फेस को भी. I'm gonna take my setting spray. I have my setting spray right here. This is the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer spray. I'm going to shake this and I'm just going to spray it on. Okay, this is done. I have sprayed all over my face. I'm just gonna wait for 10 to 20 seconds and then I'm going to blend this. I don't know how this is gonna. Oh, let me just do my neck also. Okay, so the thing is, okay, my जो eyebrows है ना guys, इतनी ज़्यादा stiff है और tacky सा लग रहा है, but it is staying in place. Sometimes these hacks really work out, like really. Let me just start blending. मेरी नाक is still pink. I mean, this is blending beautifully. Wow. Okay, I'm loving that finish. Do you guys see the difference? And this इस मेथड में क्या है, इस वाले हैक से योर ब्लश लुक्स मोर नेचुरल. इट्स लाइक यू आर ब्लशिंग फ्रॉम विद इन काइंड ऑफ. इट गिव्स अ वेरी नेचुरल लुक एंड इट गिव्स अ वेरी dewy finish. I'm just going to blend this all, and I'm gonna give my views on it. Okay, so the thing is, इस साइड ज़्यादा लग रहा है ब्लश, इस साइड कम लग रहा है, बिकॉज you know what, I'm gonna layer it up one more time on my foundation brush. This much foundation on my foundation brush, and then I'm going to apply a little bit on top, and then I'm just going to blend it. Okay, that looks kind of better. Okay, so my views, I think this looks kind of good in camera as well as in real too. My face is not looking like a buffoon anymore, and my under eyes, they are concealed. Everything looks perfect. There's a blush coming from, I mean, shining from within, and everything looks perfect. And for this blush technique, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, and for the setting spray technique, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Guys, so I have completed the rest of my face. I have applied some highlighter, and I have set my eyes, set my under eye and all this powder. It looks good, and it's time for the last hack. And so I'm going to take a earbud, and I need a lipstick. So this lipstick, it's Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is the shade Wine Touch. So I'm gonna use this lipstick. What I need to do is I need to keep this between my lips, and then I have to draw, because उसमें दिखा रहे थे कि बड़े आसानी से ड्रॉ कर सकते हो आप if you keep this earbud. I'm gonna take मैं बात नहीं कर सकती ऑब्वियसली लगा के, so you guys have to have some patience. Okay, so I have seen some disadvantages. I mean, my lips look kind of fine, but the thing is, here's a gap and here's a gap because of the earbud. वहाँ पे उससे gap पड़ रहा है. I'm just going to fill it real quickly. Okay guys, so the thing is, a hack is supposed to make your life easier, not more difficult. And इस hack में एक तो मेरे दांत में थोड़ा सा लग गया, पहला पॉइंट. दूसरा, ये साइड में लगता नहीं है. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई कैन डू अ बेटर जॉब विदाउट a cotton bud. So this is 0 for me. That is my completed look. See, the lipstick looks much better. I just shaped it myself, and it looks really better than that cotton bud one. I didn't like it. So yeah, I think my favorite hack would be the blush technique and the foundation one. The eyebrows look really good, but they are so stiff. I mean, they feel बहुत अजीब. बहुत अजीब, but yeah, everything else looks good. And yeah, if you like this video and if you did, then give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle somewhere right here. I upload a lot of beauty related stuff there, a lot of transitions, you can check that out. So yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.